really want this to be too thick. All right, so I'll just cut like this. And I'm probably not going to need it that long. Flip it over, put some chocolate on there, guess that can't hurt. Shortening on the back, because that'll stick to the fondant and to this. And we will pop this right up around that neck area. Okay, then clean some of that up. Then I want to go ahead and take, I've got a mold here. Okay, so this is a lace mold. So what I'm going to do is take it, okay, basically roll across it here with the fondant. Take this over the top. And then see if you can remove any of this now. So you have to hold the mold down, as you can see. Trim all this. This part's easier to trim since it's straight. Okay, usually we'll pull it off. Touch the cornstarch because it's a little sticky, and then bring all that back in so it's all nice and neat in there. So I'm just making sure I'm getting it just in all those little triangles. And then after this first one, I just need to decide if this is too thick. I don't really need the back side to have the lace on. I'll just press it one more time, just for kicks. And then pull it out. So it's easier if you stretch the mold. See that, like flex the mold rather than stretching the fondant and pulling the fondant out. Like that. Okay, so what we'll do is we can do several pieces here. So if we start at the bottom, we'll just do cut at an angle, and we'll put, actually we'll use a little water this time because it's fondant to fondant. It'll stick a little better. And you just want to scrunch it a little bit. And see how I'm folding that under? I'm going to flatten this and this because that's probably going to be covered. And then I want to continue going up. So here. Kind of center that one. Fold this under. Okay, and then I need to go a little bit wider. See, I'm gonna have to do a couple more of these. Okay, and that's the last one for now on that. Oops, cover up my fondant, and let's work on the jacket. It's red with a little bit of brown in it, where this is red with a lot of brown in it. Or brown with a little red, how about that? So we're gonna do his jacket in a couple of pieces. Actually, I'm wondering, I think we should do it in 3 pieces. It'll be easier. One, two, and then the back. Yeah, that's okay. That's how they're done, right? Yeah, all right. My cake, I can do what I want, right? Okay, so roll it on out, and I will do the front ones first because I want those to look the best.